All right, guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. I hope that we have been doing well with the work the past 2 days. I'm not getting too many questions from people, although I did hear that a lot of people are writing down their work on paper as opposed to doing it on Kami. That is totally fine as long as you're able to keep track of all of it until I return. So let's see. So for today, we are going through these slides. I'm going to go through a few practice problems with you guys, but for the most part, you're going to be continuing to work on the worksheet from yesterday on tax, tip, and discount. I am going to ask for that to try to show as much work as possible, even if it's not in the Kami. Try to write out your work because when you go back and study this, we'll probably have a test end of next week, most likely. You want to make sure that you know how to study and know how to solve these problems. And if you just write the answer, then that's not going to help you for studying. So that worksheet, remember that's from yesterday. So you'll see that one in here. If you want to rewatch the video from yesterday to see how to start those problems, by all means, please do that. But for today, I'm going to be going through a few practice problems with you. So I have, well, they will be posted for you. You'll see, you'll click on lesson 10, practice problems right here. And then here they are. So I'm going to go through some of these and you can just feel free to copy them down as I go through them as you watch this video. So in a city in Ohio, the sales tax rate. This word rate hints that that's just they're giving you the percentage. Just another way of saying the percentage is 7.25%. Complete the table to show the sales tax and the total price, including tax, for each item. So remember, sales tax is a percent increase. So we're adding it to the total once we know what that sales tax number is. So it says a pillow cost $8 before the tax, and I need to figure out what the sales tax is going to be. So I want to figure out what 7.25% of $8 is. So I'm going to set up my little proportion on the side here. I know that my 100 goes on the bottom. And I've got 7.25. And the $8, and I'm just going to put the 8 instead of the 8.00, goes on the bottom because I'm trying to figure out what is 7.25% of $8. So when I solve that, remember cross multiply 7.25 times 8. I'll go like this so we remember which way to do it. It's got to be diagonally across. And then divide that by 100. So I get 58 cents or 0.58 in sales tax. So a small percent, 58 cents. So that means the price including the tax, I start with my $8 and I want to add on whatever the tax was. So that would end up being $8. I'll put the dollar sign here. $8.58. And there you go. So let's try the next one. $22 for a blanket. Same sales tax percentage. I'll do it over here. Oh, no, that's not going to let me. So we've got our $22 on the bottom, our 7.25% here, and my 100 on the bottom. So I'm going to do 22 times 7.25, and then divide it by 100. So I'm going to have to do a little rounding here. The tax for this one is about $1.60. So when I add this, I end up with $23.60. So why don't you pause the video here, try the last one on your own. All right, so if you want to check your work for this one, you will see you end up with a tax of $1.05 and a total of $15.55. So next, I'm going to be moving on to number 3. What is the sales tax rate? And it looks like I'm going to get cut off, so I will stop this video and start a new one.